I'm gonna do some rapid fire. So being like, I had a history in the car business. I was in sales and finance for years before I went my entrepreneur route. Now, when you said you can get a cash out refi on cars, I know there's title loans. Are you talking about collateralization loans? Because I got friends in Turo that they could definitely use that and optimize it if that's the case.
I'm just saying, if you own a car free and clear, you have the title, and you go out to any credit union, a loan or whatever, and use your car as collateral, and you get cash based upon that collateral, then that strategy is a good way to help somebody build their credit. I mean, I wouldn't just do that just for the sake of it. But for people out there that are looking for rebuilding strategies and they have that asset that they can leverage, that's another fast track of getting stronger credit faster.
Beautiful, beautiful.